Anong pangalan ng grupo nyo?
Cassidy po.
Palagay nyo ba kaya nyong manalo ng 2 million with your dance?
Kaya-kaya po.
O sige, tingnan natin. Let's go.
Word on the street, I got cold brick. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. What you said? Hold on, shut your mouth. Dead man can't handle what you're talking about. 'Cause what you put that dough in, ain't got the mouth. Let me take you back to time in my coffin now. Oh, I know you smell it in the air. 'Cause I've been in the grave for too long, I swear. People crying, I'm missing. Oh, bitch, where's the rent? My face pale, they can't tell your boy back to you.
If you're a strong female, you don't need permission.
Kakaiba tignan ng ano, no? Yung ang dami nila, tapos sabay-sabay sila gumalaw. Mahirap yan.
I swear to God, I'll never be a
Matagal na akong hindi humahanga sa mga dance group eh. Pero ngayon, pinahanga niyo ako. Angel,
Natutuwa ako na kayo yung una ko napanood. Grabe! Natutuwa ako na sabay yung kailangan magbigay ng power ng explosive do sa music. Ang galing. Nararamdaman ko dito umaalog yung stage. So, galing. Happy ako.
Yan ang gusto ko, pambugbugan. Diba? Ang sarap niyong panoorin kasi kahit napakarami ninyo, parang isang tao lang ang pinanonood ko.
Alam nyo, hanip yung grupo ninyo.
okay, let's vote. Robin?
Dahil napakagandang buena mano. Yes!
It's a yes for me.
Yes, kayo sa akin!
It's also a big yes for me.
Thank you!